today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a meal planner on Notion, a versatile and powerful tool that can truly streamline your meal planning process. First things first, let's start by heading over to Notion. Open your browser and go to the Notion website. If you haven't already, sign in with your account or create a new one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Notion workspace, a blank canvas just waiting for your creativity. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the sidebar. Here, you'll spot a button labeled Create New Page. However, instead of clicking directly on it, you'll want to notice the small arrow beside it. By clicking on this arrow, you open up a world of options, allowing you to explore existing templates that will save you time and effort. Now, a menu should pop up, and in that menu you'll see the Templates option. Go ahead and click on Templates. This is where Notion truly shines, as it offers a variety of pre-made layouts to suit different needs. For meal planning, this step is crucial, as it will help you find a template that fits your specific requirements. Once you're in the Templates section, there's a search bar at the top. Type in Meal Planner, hit enter, and you'll be presented with a selection of ready-to-use templates. Browse through these options, and when you find one that seems perfect for your needs, click on it to preview. This is a great opportunity to get a feel for the layout and potentially spot any features that are important to you, like grocery lists or recipe management. After selecting a template that catches your eye, you'll need to click on Add to bring this template into your Notion workflow. This action isn't final yet, but gets you closer to incorporating the meal planner into your daily routine. You'll notice that Notion asks you to confirm this choice, allowing you to decide where you want to save it. This next step is pivotal. Click on Add to Private if you prefer to keep it for personal use, or Add to Workspace if you're planning to share it with others, perhaps family or a flatmate. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a meal planner on Notion, bringing efficiency and structure to your meal preparation. With this planner, you can seamlessly organize your recipe lists and grocery runs all within a couple of clicks. This process not only saves you time, but also allows you to create a more balanced meal plan tailored to your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy planning!